In this video, we show how to replace a power supply unit, or PSU, on an XR4000Z. Before removing the PSU, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4000Z service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the PSU, while pressing the orange release latch, use the handle to pull it free of the chassis. To install a PSU, slide it into the bay until the release latch snaps into place. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.